can $575,000 get you in Brentwood?
Most buyers think this budget won't get much, but watch this.
Enjoy resort-style living with a full gym, pool, sauna, jacuzzi, and hot tub. All just steps to Gilmore SkyTrain and quick highway access for a seamless commute.
Third floor, 9-foot ceilings, and a full northwest view of mountains and downtown.